Welcome! Today quite an unusual review, a review of soap nutshells. I got a bag of soap nutshells a few weeks ago and I asked my girlfriend to test them. She said that they're very good unless your clothes are extremely dirty, then a regular washing powder is better. But if you have allergy to washing powders, to detergents, I think that this is the way for you to go. Soap nutshells are supposed to be 100% natural. They do contain soap, but it is 100% organic. If you have an allergy to washing powder, I think that this is the way you should go. Soap nutshells seem to be quite good in washing clothes, but I had quite a different idea today. I was wondering whether they could deal with dirty dishes. I have decided to cut them into small pieces to load them into the dishwasher. I set up the dishwasher for 55 degrees. That's a standard program. I set up the dishwasher for 55 degrees and let's see how good are they in dealing with fats and dirt. Around 1 hour later, I opened the dishwasher to check out the dishes. Unfortunately, I don't do it on a regular basis, so some of the dishes didn't really get properly rinsed. But I must say that they did quite a good job for soap nutshells. Again, if you are allergic to detergents that are used in the process of cleaning the dishes, you may go for them. What I would advise is if you had a coffee grinder, you could use it to grind them into nice powder and load them as a powder into the dishwasher, because if they are left on the bottom of the dishwasher, they are simply not going to totally dissolve and they will prevent the dishes from proper rinsing. I have the already cleaned dishes with me. You can have a closer look at them. I'm not really fully satisfied with the way they were washed, but I would say they weren't washed as good as I expected, but I would say it is enough for a person that has an allergy to everything but not the soap nutshells, and they did provide effect that I would judge as a good 50, maybe 75 out of 100. But you have to remember that they are supposed to be used in the washing machine, not in the dishwasher. But they did quite a good job. I am to grade this product now and I am giving it 95 out of 100. It is simply a good product. I would like to show you a difference between a good product and a bad product. You might remember my review about this very Sony digital recorder. This product, good not. This product, very good. Recommend.